gonna do a burnout.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, always in boost, GT500. Man, look, I know what y'all gonna say. It has been a while since I made a video. It's probably been over a year. Life has taken over. A lot of things to talk about. I still have Papa Smurf, as you can see in the background. I'm getting ready to head over to Sal's Autoworks right now. I'm gonna tell you why. But just to give you guys a brief what's going on, my wife had another baby boy. He's turning 2. I started a business. So I've been very busy with that, but I have not forgotten about all my followers. I've still had people hit me up asking questions, and thank you guys for riding along with me right now. Let's see. Before we start, I have to show you guys something. I no longer have Smoke, the Raptor. I sold it to my brother due to my business, and now a 2024 F-250 Platinum gas, 7.3 Godzilla. There's my trailer. I'll discuss that later. Yeah, we'll do a review on that. A lot of things going on with that truck. Getting back here at Papa Smurf. I really haven't had a chance to show some love with her. I think the last video I left off on was we had changed the arms in the rear at Sal's Autoworks. We did a burnout. I did some launch passes. The car went straight, and I'm still having issues with the clutch. We got that figured out. Got that taken care of. I never did a video with the clutch, but I'm gonna show what we found real quick. So of course everyone know I went with McLeod, but with my previous clutch here, I saved this for this video. The reason why I couldn't get into gear was because, let's see if I can show you one of these clutch plates. Let's see. One of these clutch plates was broken. Gotta find the one, but one of the clutch plates is a triple disc. One of them had a chip in it. I can't find it now. Let's see, was a spring missing? Spring. Can't find it now. I thought I saved it. But yeah, one of the clutch plates is bad. That's the flywheel. One of the clutch plates is bad. I think a spring or something missing, vice versa. That was the issue. With that, now with the new McLeod clutch in there, she shifts. Good. You probably want to know why I'm headed to Sal's. Is because I will be switching my steering wheel. No more Ford Racing steering wheel. I will be going back to a factory style size steering wheel. I got custom made. Just gotta, I don't know if I'll be able to show it now, but let's see if I can. I might be too wrapped up. Let's see. So, this will be my new steering. Can't wait to show you guys. Alcantara suede on it, factory size. I just gotta switch everything back over from my factory steering wheel, which I still have, into this. And then back to showing some love to this thing, man. Back to showing some love. I didn't have a chance last year to drive it too much because the business took over. But I will do a review on the F-250, what we're planning on doing with the F-250. See, I got tons of parts for the F-250, lift kit, wheels. All this stuff was ordered from Sal's Autoworks. He'll be doing the install hopefully soon as I get some free time. So yeah, we're still at it. Hopefully I can show you guys what the steering wheel will look like when we're done. But I want to touch base with you guys. I know it's been a while. Let's see if I can get back into this groove again. After the steering wheel goes on, hopefully I can finally get it on the track, get some track passes in at a private rental. Everything should be taken care of. The clutch now shifts. The car goes straight with the new arms. Everything is good. Sal also will be putting new tires on it. The tires are shot on the car now. So that's what we are, man. But I just want to give you guys a quick update. Sorry for the video quality. I'm on my cell phone. And yeah, hopefully in the next video, I can show you the wheel and maybe do a little review on the F-250, how I like the Godzilla motor and what the plans for that will be as my work truck, you know. But it's good seeing you guys, talking to you guys. It's good to be back. I'm trying to get more content in, but you know what to do, man. Follow me, Instagram, all over and out. J Money is back. Papa Smurf is back. Showing some love. See you in the next video. Peace.